at those challenges. So GUI tests are expensive to write, expensive to maintain, and expensive to execute. And expensive purely in the terms of the effort in creating and maintaining it. Second challenge is UI automation traditionally has been associated with a kind of methodology where automation is done after the feature is available. However, what we want in Agile is before the feature is delivered, acceptance test cases need to be automated. So is it possible? And the third challenge, what if I don't want to associate pure UI automation? I want to integrate UI automation with service calls. For example, while I am testing a file upload service from the front end, and what I do is I upload a file, then I want to invoke a web service at the back end to ensure that file is uploaded. So in this case, we need to integrate the test of both layers in same script. And now the fourth challenge. It's particularly interesting. We were working with a client recently, and it came out that they were traditionally using QTP in a kind of a spiral model development. So recently they have started adopting Agile, and they found over there that QTP typically does not support BDD. So they started thinking of Cucumber and Selenium. And now the problem they faced was they already have legacy automation artifacts written over last 3 years in QTP. Can they be reused with Selenium or Cucumber kind of environment? It's not feasible, right? As Selenium is more Java based and QTP is VB script. And lastly, I'm not sure how many of you actually practicing BDD, but those who were doing would agree with me that in BDD, collaboration become a challenge. How do I ensure that feature file written by one member of my team is accessible to others? So collaboration in BDD authoring is a big challenge. So what we require? We need a BDD style of authoring that allows collaboration. It allows me to reuse the component written by my teammates. I have to ensure that my logic has to be separated from GUI so that I can take care of challenges as we talked about in previous slides. It would also ensure that I can author my test before UI is accessible to me. And the third thing I need is a kind of framework that allows me to reuse my legacy automation in new age automation. So basically, we require a framework that is BDD enabled. All the automation framework that we have developed in past, we thought about them, they didn't inherently support BDD, and that is the main challenge we faced. Even before we started thinking of BDD, my company had 3-4 kind of frameworks. So we have a specific framework for QTP and a different framework for Selenium. And we have Opti that I am going to talk about. But none of these frameworks